Hi everybody, welcome back third graders. I'm Miss Caitlin and today we're going to be talking about the importance of health when it comes to eating healthy and exercising. So our goals for today's class are understanding the importance of a healthy lifestyle and good healthy habits. So we're going to take a second right now and think about what is a healthy habit that you do. Just take a second. We're going to see if we're going to talk about it today. Good job. Keep that habit in your head, okay? We can share it later. Our class agenda will be discussing healthy food choices and why we should exercise, as well as the different types of exercise. We will have a discussion about our favorite ways to exercise and how long that we should exercise each day. It may be longer than you think it is. Next, we will play a fun game having to do with the food pyramid. Raise your hand if you've ever heard of a food pyramid. Oh, awesome. That's what we're going to talk about today. It's good to see that some of you guys have heard of that before. So our game is kind of a long name, but our game is called Grain, Protein, Fruit, Vegetable, Dairy, and Fats. In this game, you are going to each have a flashcard with these words on each card. The 6 different cards will be labeled grain, protein, fruit, vegetable, dairy, and fats. When I say a food, you're going to hold up the card and we're going to see if you got it right, if it fits in that food group. Do you guys understand? So these are what your cards are going to look like. We have grain, fruit, fats and oils, protein, dairy, and vegetables. So if I was the teacher and I said, what food group does yogurt fit into? And you guys would go, well, let me look at my cards. And then you could all hold up dairy because it's a dairy product. So after today's lesson, you should know the food groups and their order on the pyramid from bottom to top. And you should know how long you have to exercise for each day and some of the different types of exercise. So first, I drew up this little food pyramid that we are going to use as our model today. So it's this food pyramid right here. And I'm going to make sure you guys can see this. So it's this food pyramid. On the bottom, we have our grains. This would be like rice or bread or crackers. So these are our grains. We're going to have fruit. An example of a fruit is an apple, a strawberry. You know what fruits are. Most of you. Vegetables is a carrot or spinach or celery. Then up here we have our protein. So this would be like meat, chicken, things like that. There's also protein in peanut butter or nuts like almonds. Up here we have dairy. So this would be like milk, cheese, yogurt, cottage cheese, things like that. And up here at the top, we have our fats and our oils. And this would be things like potato chips and cake and although those things taste yummy, our body doesn't really like them that much because eating too much of those is very unhealthy for our body and our insides. So we need the most grains, and then secondly, we need vegetables and fruit, and then we need protein next to dairy, and then way up top, we need the least amount of fats and oils. Does anybody have any questions before we start today's lesson? Okay, make sure to get your flashcards ready. Thank you, guys. Let's get on with the lesson.